Yeah, can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? Next problem. Yeah, I don't know. Which one of the following? Try to complete this problem also. This problem will give more clarity. Which one of the following is a tautology? Which one of the following is a tautology? Yeah, option A, P and Q is equal to P. Option B, P and Q is going to Q. Option C, P goes to PRQ. Option D, negation P. Option D, negation P implies PRQ. Which one of the following is a tautology or valid? I want answer. Whatever you understood, please can you try? See, unless you try, you don't know where you go wrong. Unless you try, you don't know where you go wrong. Can you give the answer for this? I am expecting answer from everyone. Go ahead. Don't do any guess. Please go meaningfully. Yeah, sorry for this first option. Employees. Check properly. See, those people who are not trying, those people who are sitting idle, after marriage also you will sit idle. Those people who are sitting idle, after marriage also you will sit idle. No kids, bhaiya, no kids, bhaiya. If anyone is sitting idle without doing, after marriage also you will sit idle. Bhaiya, no output will be there, no output. Are you sitting idle? Then you will sit after marriage also idle. No output, bhaiya, output nahi. No output. Some people are practicing how to sit idle. Some people are practicing how to sit idle. They're practicing. They will come to the class. They will sit idle. Sir didn't even hesitate. Vipul. Array, dog. Do your business. Array, Vipul dog. Array, Vipul dog. Array, buffoon. He is feeling so proud. I am scolding you. Array, Vipul, I am scolding you. He's feeling so proud. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. What the answer? Let's go ahead. What the answer? See this one. See this one. Let's go ahead. What the answer? So P and Q true. Listen, P and Q true means this is true, this is true. This is true means it should be true, it should also be true. Both are true. Listen, using this information, using this, see this one, by assuming left true, you got this data. Using this data, you have to prove right true. Right is P, right? P already true. So overall true. You assumed, right? You assumed left true. The conclusion what you got is P true, Q true you got. You using this data, substitute right side. So right side also became true. So overall true. So A is true. Right? Somebody saying, what is buffoon? Okay, okay. So today our subject is, right? Our target is not DMS. Our target is buffoon. We will discuss on buffoon. I will stop the DMS subject. I will stop the DMS subject. On buffoon, we will do research. Right? On buffoon. Right? Can I go to next topic? Next topic name is buffoon. Can I start? Arey, buffoon. A serious story going on. Sir, what is buffoon? Arey, buffoon. Buffoon means buffoon. I thought you were asking some seriously some doubt. Arey, serious. He stopped the problem. He is asking what is buffoon. Buffoon means buffoon. He left the problem. He left the problem. I thought he's asking doubt. Let me write now. P and Q is equal to true means from this, the conclusion what I got is P true, Q also true. So this information, if you substitute right side, where Q true, so overall true. So second also true. Sir, after this question, can we discuss? What? What should I discuss? Johan. He's saying that after this problem, can we discuss buffoon? Sir, what is Gootle? A serious story going on. So we will discuss. Okay, we will discuss. Let's come here. We will discuss. See, because of I targeted SK, SK is targeting me about your keywords. I targeted SK is targeting me. Array SK, you, if I see one more time in one more group, you will see my actual behavior. If I see you in one more group, you will see. Yeah, okay, you will see. You may be thinking, you will come, I will easily see, na, Reddy sir name is there, I will easily see. Arey bhaiya, in other group, my name is not Reddy sir. In other group, my name is not Reddy sir. Arey man, right? All my team members, they're in the different groups. They will say, I said to them, SK anywhere you see, send the screenshot to me. I said to my team member, if you see it anywhere in any group, SK, send to me. Send to me, I said like this. You may be thinking, I will come and check. Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you so much. Come here now. Everyone see this one. P goes to PRQ. P goes to PRQ. Can you see this one? Left to true. Everyone listen. Left to true. Left to true. So P is true. So using this information, can you see this one? PRQ. It is a true. Overall true. It is a bacha problem here. Bacha. It is a bacha problem. It is a bacha problem here. See this one. Negation P goes to true. Negation P goes to true means P false. Means P false. This information keep on the right side. This information keep on the right side. P goes to Q. It is a false. False implies Q anything true. All true. All true. All true. Whenever I given this problem, listen, whenever I given this problem, SK, listen, whenever I given this problem, SK said, all true. Are SK, salute man. SK, as soon as I given this problem, SK said, all true. SK said, all true. Are salute. Are SK, salute bhaiya. SK, salute bhaiya. You are really gem. You really jumps. Please try properly. Please try properly. You will get the nice rank. Please try properly. Just mark my line. Mark my line. You will get the very good rank. Please try properly. As soon as I given this problem, SK said immediately all are true. Are SK, hats up. Right? No. As soon as I given this problem, immediately he said, thank you so much, SK. Keep continue like this. Please continue like this. Yeah. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? See, initially people thought that this is very difficult. Now over. Initially people thought that it is very difficult. Now over. Now over. It's over. Right? In further, there are some more problems are there, we will see. There are some more problems are there, we will see. Initially people thought that this is very difficult. What is difficult? Over. What is difficult here? It's over. Right? See, it became so easy. It became so easy. Yeah, perfect. So, and one more my suggestion. See, next Saturday, Sunday. See this one. Next Saturday, Sunday. Sorry to interrupting in between. Sir, you did RIC. Are Sudhir. Are Gootle. You came to here and you are saying something else. Are Gootle. This Gootle came right somewhere else and he's saying here. How can you ask me personally? Yaar. Common sense not there. Common sense closed. Common senseless fellow. Yeah, I can understand. You can ask, right? Fine. Personally, you can ask me. Right. Now, see this one. I think almost people got. See this one. Next Saturday. Right? So, discrete mathematics test. Next Saturday, discrete mathematics test. Sunday, right? Approximately, yeah. Sunday TOC test. Next Sunday TOC. Right? Saturday is discrete mathematics. Please careful. Next Saturday, discrete mathematics. Sir, please keep, right, 1 hour DS test also. We kept not today. Today we kept DS. Now tomorrow also DS. Array, give you only there. Many people are there, right? Right? So one test is we should give enough time to them to revise. One test is discrete mathematics. One test is right. Saturday is discrete mathematics. Sunday is TOC. Right? Fine then. Right. Now, those people who are watching, array, like the class here, comment. Like the class, comment and share to your friends. Yeah, you revise in the next weekend we will do. Next weekend. And now, until now, whatever happened, see tomorrow's test. We approximately done 25 tests. See, other people are not writing one test also. But you done 25 tests. You done 25 tests. You completed the many subjects and 25 tests you done. You are going to crack a nice rank. Right. So everyone like the class, comment and like the class.